Punishment for drink driving is disqualification, and that's mandatory. The judge has no option. If you plead guilty to drink driving, or if you're found guilty of drink driving, they must put you off the road. Some people kind of confuse that with, well, if I tell the judge that I've never been in trouble before, or I'm looking after my family and I'm a hard worker, that would make a difference. It won't. I would love to tell you that it will, but they have no choice. If you're found guilty, they have to put you off the road. It's a good question. Should I get a lawyer if I was caught drink driving? Yes, I would, every time. I mean, some people do walk into court and they don't have a solicitor and they insist on pleading guilty, and of course they can do that if they want to. But in some cases, there may be a defence to the case, a very obvious defence to the case. And if you plead guilty to it, you can't unplead guilty to it. You can't say next week, well, maybe I should have thought about that. It's too late. Once you enter a plea of guilty, you're stuck with that. You should always get a lawyer, because the consequences of drink driving is a disqualification. It's pretty serious. Most of the people that I represent are very self-critical, very self-conscious. They actually think that they must be some kind of an appalling person that they've been arrested for drink driving. And they're very eager to tell you that that's not who they are, that they are a person of good standing, that they perhaps made a mistake, but it shouldn't be something that would mark them for life as far as they're concerned. Most people are people who've never been in trouble before and who are people of good standing.